Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Toyota Sienna steering wheel. Start by gently turning the wheel left and right while turning the key to relieve tension on the lock. If that fails, inspect the key for wear and try a spare key if available. Next, check the ignition cylinder for debris and consider using a lubricant designed for locks. If problems persist, seek professional locksmith or dealer assistance. Begin by positioning the steering wheel and inserting the key fully into the ignition. Apply gentle, steady pressure on the key while moving the wheel left and right to release the mechanical lock. Avoid forcing the key harshly to prevent snapping it inside the cylinder. If the key still won't turn, try a spare key and inspect the ignition slot for visible debris or obstruction that could be blocking the tumblers. If manual methods don't work, use a small amount of graphite lock lubricant to ease a stiff ignition cylinder. Check the key for bent teeth and replace it if worn, because a damaged key may not engage the tumblers. Also test the vehicle battery and electrical locks, since some Sienna models have electronic locking components that bind when power is low. When in doubt, consult a professional to avoid costly damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.